නම් කෙලිම ජීප් එක කරනවා.
ඕ වෙන්න එපා.
හරි ඉස්සරහින් ජීප් එක.
I've never seen such a thing.
This is amazing. So lovely.
And you see they're running, but you can't hear even the footstep.
What are they doing? They are having a fight there.
No, they're just having fun.
Really? Really had it. Hello to you. He said hello to us,
They're just playing. You know, they tend to be like small babies.
Looks like a teenage. No, the first one. Oh, the little one. No, the raccoon. Oh, so cute. Lala, the little one. That's not it.
Can you see the boobs underneath the forelimbs?
It's a mother.
Yeah, that's a mother.
Can you see that? Yeah.
He's being sensual.
Why are you sitting? Don't be scared.
He doesn't like the birds. That's why, yeah, that's why.
You know, there is a baby, so they take it like the intruders.
I think that baby is
Oh,
very,
good.
very little.
Now listen to the choir.
Lot of protection for the baby.
Oh, yeah.
Rally gande no?
One little one had a little hole here.
That's all.
That's what I got.